We are the kitties that learn the words we have heard. Our minds are right, our eyes are bright. We are smart, we are ready to start our lesson. So let's get it, let's get it, let's get in our minds. We are smart, we are brave, we are beautiful in every way. So let's start today.
Hello, my little kitties. Welcome to a new adventure here with me, Oliver the Cat, on the learning curve. All right, my little kitties, let's begin. Hello, my little kitties. This is Oliver the Cat. Today, we have a wonderful lesson on time. What I mean by time is being able to tell what time of day or night. Now, there are some clocks that are what we call digital clocks, where we see the numbers on the clock and we can tell what time it is from there. There are older clocks where we would have to read the clock hour hand and minutes hand. That is called an analog clock. To know what time it is by the numbers on a clock face to understand the time it represents. Not everyone knows how to read an older clock, which may in some cases look like a cuckoo clock with the hour hand and the minute hand. So today we are going to try and learn a little bit about both. So stay with me, my little kitties, as we learn together. First, I would like to introduce my dear friend, Mr. Gipp, to show us how to tell time in digital clocks and analog clocks.
This is Mr. Gipp. Today, I will be your teacher and your friend as we learn together on how to tell time. When we start our days, it starts at 12 a.m., which is 12 o'clock midnight. Most places, it is very dark. On our modern day clocks, the clock will say 12 o'clock a.m. On our older clocks, which are called analog clocks, the clock will be 12 o'clock a.m., which has two arrows. The longer arrow pointing at the 12 is the minute hand. The shorter arrow pointing at the 12 will be the hour hand. When both arrows, meaning the longer arrow and the shorter arrow, are both pointing at the number 12, it represents that it is 12 o'clock. Okay, my kitty community, we're now learning how to tell time. This is what 12 o'clock looks like. Remember, the long arrow represents the minute hand and the shorter arrow represents the hour hand. It is now 1 o'clock a.m. It is now 2 o'clock a.m. It is now 3 o'clock a.m. It is now 4 o'clock a.m. It is now 5 o'clock a.m. It is now 6 o'clock a.m. It is now 7 o'clock a.m. It is now 8 o'clock a.m. It is now 9 o'clock a.m. It is 10 o'clock a.m. It is 11 o'clock a.m. After 11 a.m., it starts the afternoon, which is 12 p.m. Learning time is not an easy thing to do. It is now 1 o'clock p.m. It is now 2 o'clock p.m. It is now 3 o'clock p.m. It is now 4 o'clock p.m. It is now 5 o'clock p.m. It is now 6 o'clock p.m. It is now 7 o'clock p.m. It is now 8 o'clock p.m. It is now 9 o'clock p.m. It is 10 o'clock p.m. It is 11 o'clock p.m. Oh, I am so proud of you, my Kitty Nation, that you have hung in there and have learned to tell time. Have a great afternoon, great day, or great evening, depending on what part of the world you're in. God bless.
Okay, my little kitties. Today, we have learned a valuable lesson about the importance of time. In order for us to know how to get up on time for school, do our chores, when it's time to go to work, church, or when it's time to do anything that has to be done at a particular time, we need a clock or a watch or a source of time to keep us on track. We hope today's lesson number 1 was something that you have enjoyed. Stay tuned for part 2. As always, we enjoy learning together, my little kitties. Have a great learning day. Bye-bye.